A lot of first-class cricket or state one-day cricket. There it is. Only 10 matches. 1 fifer here at the Gabba. And bowls in. There's number 1. That's his first. Mitchell Starc. We're going to see a lot of this boy. He is talented. That, as they say, is that. Oh, he's shut that on.
Bowling. 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 Bowling got the Yorker in.
Bowling. And oh, yes, just a ripper. It's right through him. Oh, yes! Oh, you ripper! He's
Bowling, maybe Uti. 6 for Johnson. Starts his 8th. Oh, and he finishes. Yorker might be close. Oh, there it is! What? Oh, yes, it doesn't matter. Forget the LBW. The offer yet.
There it is. 5 wickets for Mitchell Starc.
Ball bowling with a beauty.
Oh, Bolim.
nimble bowler.
That's what you call comprehensive.
Get impact.
Bolden. Got him. Mitchell Starc's got one. He's made the breakthrough.
That's what he's after.
Oh, and he does it beautifully. That is terrific bowling.
Seeing from Sharma.
Bowled him. Chopped it on. Bowled him. Don't worry about Pfeiffer. Mitchell Starc's now got 6.
Starc.
Gets the stumps. Good bowling, Mitchell Starc. And there's another one for Australia. Gen's got him first ball after the break. Underbolt from Starc.
Oh, no! Look for the big Yorker.
Thank you very much for Mitchell Starc. Don't see that.
Oh, rolled him.
2 slips in place now. Oh, he's got him right through him. There it is. Wicket number 4 for.
And there it is. That's why he's the best in the business at the moment.
He's hit the stumps. That's a classic dismissal for Mitchell Starc.
Bowled him. Got him third ball. Couldn't get bat on ball on the first 2. The third one cannons into off stump.
Mitchell Starc. Oh, brilliant. Oh, brilliant. Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Make that 6 for 27.
Played on.
Got him. Bowled him.
Bowled him! What a ripper from Mitchell Starc. That. Oh, beautiful delivery. Beautiful delivery from Starc.
Bowls him! This time it's Mitchell Starc.
That's the one. Start it wide of off, swing it back, and over goes the castle. Oh, knocked him over. Good reward for Mitchell Starc.
Bowls him! That's a good comeback from Starc. That is the delivery.
Crease.
And he's found it. Oh, bowled him. Oh, bowled him. He's got 5.
Bowled. 10 wickets for Starc in the Test match.
Bowled. Lovely delivery from Starc. He gets it spot on at 147 kilometres per hour. Lockie Ferguson's the new batsman. Yeah, there you go. There you go, Mark Richardson. You're calling it. You called it. Another one at 147 Ks. Ferguson.
Gone through once again. That lane Matthew Hayden was talking about. It's got to be full.
There it is. That's what he can do. There he doesn't. He doesn't. Oh, got him.
5. Australia victors by 120 runs, claiming the final 6 wicket.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Beautifully bowled. 5 for Mitch Starc. Yep. It's bowled him. That is brilliant from Starc. It's got him. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, what a beauty. What a delivery that is. That is brilliant stuff from Starc. So,
Thank you very much. That's what he wanted, Mitchell Starc. Oh, got him. First ball. First wicket down. Eyes in front of your eyes. Oh, he's knocked him over. Beautifully bowled, Mitchell Starc. Another 5-wicket haul for him. It's his 10th of his career.
Bowled him! Starc knocks over Karunaratne. And
Through him. Did it keep a little low? Mitchell Starc doesn't care. He's picked up his 3rd.
Nando to a packed cordon. Straight through him, knocks him over. Starc gets 5 innings, 10 for the match.
Gone. That's the ball we were talking about.
Excellent 5-wicket haul for Mitchell Starc, his 6th in one-day internationals and his 3rd against the West Indies.
And gets in. That's what Starc can do. There he is, the breakthrough man. Ruck's done it.
Lights on. That's a big wicket. That's what Starc came back for.
It's coming that way from an outstanding in-swinging Yorker. That is brilliant bowling. Well, straight at the stumps. That's what he does so well. Clean the... Pull him.
What a Jaffa. The one that went across, followed by the big in-swinger. Brilliant. That is out. In any form of the game, that's gone.
Straight through Pereira, Mitchell Starc with a wonderful Yorker. Oh, Jayasuriya tries something really fancy and Starc just goes bang. Oh, straight through him. Perfection from Mitchell Starc. The in-swinger rattles into the stumps. Pakistan 2 for 15. What a bowler this man is.
Oh, clean rip, middle stump. Brilliant.
Oh, no. The lightning bolt gets Trent Bolt, and that's the end of the Kiwis. Oh, bowled him, played on. What? Oh, brilliant from Mitchell Starc, the perfect Yorker.
Oh, he's knocked him over. No.
that is an absolute beauty. Bowled him. That is magnificent stuff from Mitchell Starc. Bowled him. Brilliant return from Starc. That is
Starc.
Clean bowled him. That's the Mitchell Starc that the Aussies want to see. And Darwin walks off with his stumps all over the ground.
He's done that, and he's cleaned him up with the second ball of the Test series.
Clean them up. Through bat and pad a little. Some go cartwheeling.
Not good. Trademark Yorker, Mitchell Starc. Bullseye. That's the 50th wicket for Mitchell Starc. Hold him.
Puller, straight.
Oh, beautifully. What a great response from Starc. Bowled him, little inside edge, maybe. Back onto leg stump. Stump.
Bowling. Straight through.
Oh, bowling, first ball! The in-swinger from Starc, immediate breakthrough.
Oh, Mitchell Starc. Just
Bowled him! Starc! Leaving in with the left arm quick. He bowled him! Played on!
cleaned him up. What a delivery.
Bowled him. Now that might be an absolute beauty. Got him. That's another one. We can add it to that.
Oh, that's a revenge. What a delivery.
Low. Bowled. Full straight.